everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, it's me, Nessa Eileen, and today we're doing an episode of The Sims 4 Discover University. Let's sweat. Who are you? Oh, you're Marique. I think. No, you're not Marique. Who are you? Sure, why not? You know who I think that is? I think that's what's her name? I think that's the husband of one of the Boga children from my island living Let's Play. Call it just to make sure that he had everything done, but he doesn't have any class today. Can he join? If I switch over to them, can I invite Rohan? I don't know, but I'm gonna put this in his inventory, even though it belongs to Hello. He was supposed to give his presentation. Why can't I? Oh, well, obviously because there's no room. What? But he already gave his presentation, so this is weird. They just have to sit there in his... They just have to sit there in his inventory. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to switch control to Noel, and then I'm going to try and bring Rohan to the vacation with them. But he did have class that morning, so I did want to go ahead and get that done because I didn't want him to fail his class just because, he wouldn't physically go to his class, or I don't know, the Sims wouldn't just be like, oh, obviously he's at class while I'm off on vacation and I can't control him. Alright, so Marique is grilling something up. Hello, sir? Hi, Marique. Everyday Extras Talent Agency here. Would you be interested in checking out some new gigs? Okay, yeah, definitely. When is that? Wednesday? Because we have 2 more days. So Monday. I'm assuming that means Monday and Tuesday. And we have to either leave Wednesday morning or leave Tuesday night. I don't know. It's something preferably that's not on Tuesday, but looks like everything is on Tuesday. Maybe Salty Suds because that's the thing that he can get up the quickest, and I think he already has a good charisma level. Does he? Yeah. Oh man. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. 8. He's kind of good at charisma, just a little. Okay. No, I was like, excuse me, how do you have a laptop? And I was like, you know what? I probably gave her a laptop. Okay, let's see if we can bring Marique here. Join vacation. Yes! He's here. What does this mean? Go to lodging. Oh, okay. Go to your lodging. Gosh, that just that little tune, melody that I just said, that I just sang, kind of reminded me of something. It kind of low-key, very subtly unlocked something from my childhood, but I can't pinpoint what it was. Bicycle, bicycle, I want to ride my bicycle. He's an old dog. Speckles, you precious baby. Okay, let's talk to Speckles and play with him and offer your friendship. I love Rohan's makeover. He's such a cutie. Okay, he needs to use the bathroom. Where are you gonna go use the bathroom? Oh, you know what? There's a toilet over here. I was gonna say there's a lot of things, but there's not really a lot of things. Do we have bug spray? Somebody here has bug spray. I'm pretty sure of it. No? Nobody has bug spray? Okay. Well then, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go... I think you can buy things right here. Okay, buy supplies. And if you can buy some bug spray before you go take a poop or whatever you need to do, then you can do that. Because I don't want you to get bitten by mosquitoes and whatnot. I feel like he needs to write his term paper. That would be the responsible thing to do. Oops. Let's put it... Can I put it here? No. Maybe we can use Julia's if she's nice. Okay. Computer settings. Just unlock it. Furniture. Fun. Ingredients. Pets. No, I got him his stuff. Do we not have bug spray here? So no, he can't get any bug spray, which is really sad, but I guess perish, right? Go to the bathroom and perish. Julia, you don't need this anymore. Sell it. She's like, I'm just holding on to it in case Rohan loses his. Okay, well, he's doing his homework. I wanted him to do whatever. What can Noel be doing right now? Gourmet cooking, dang girl. Gardening. Ooh, let's practice some gardening. I want her to look for plants and stuff. How do you do that? Wild plant. We can harvest? We'll harvest the plant. Ooh, this water is so pretty. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong button. Dang. Is that a sight to see? Is it fall? Is it fall in the game? Because I was looking at these orange and yellow trees and I was like, that is so pretty. Is it fall? Yes, it is fall. Good job, Vanessa. Good observation. I was going to say good observant, but I was like, no, that's not right. Gotta catch yourself. We're going to look for frogs too. Ooh, what is this? I don't know. Looks like that's all harvest right now. Okay, so what did you get? Oops, wrong thing. Elderberries, unidentified fruit, basil. How do I identify? Attempt to identify. Oh, that person needs to pee. Should I help them out? Nah. Sparkles, did you... Sparkles is famous? Wait, hold on. I mean, Speckles. Oops. He's not that famous if I'm calling him by the wrong name. Excuse me, sir. Is Speckles famous? He's a celebrity star, apparently. A celebrity star. He's a celebrity dog, apparently. Oh, why do you have negative relationship with Rohan? Humor and Hijinks Festival. Not today. We're on vacation. On vacation. Is it hot? Are you hot? Are you burning up? Overheating? Alright, sorry. My air conditioning went on, so I just kind of paused the video so that you didn't have to hear all that. Because, oh my gosh, my air conditioning is very loud. I don't know if you've ever heard it in my videos, but it is loud, and I tried to cut it out most of the time, but sometimes it catches me right in the middle while I'm speaking, and it's hard to do, so I just had to take a pause and wait for it to... Oh, that tree is falling down. Wait for it to turn off. I found a lot of bushes while I was waiting for my air conditioning to be quiet. 100%. Julia has earned 1,200 on her day off. Dang, Julia! Dang. I don't think he has to do anything to prepare for it. Audition, salty studs, da da da. Yeah, I don't think he really has to do anything. I don't know if I have to go with him. I feel like he performs better and he's more likely to get the gig if I go with him to the audition, though. Outfits, that's what I'm looking for. He's heating. He's overheating. What else does he want to do? That's it. He's pretty chillin'. Let's see, what does he need to work on while he's out here? I should have brought a painting easel. That would have been fun. Okay, let's just open this thing up. You can practice your... I guess I brought a guitar. That's what it's called. I can't remember if I gave Noel a job. No, I was like, she needs to vacation before I give her a job. Oh no, Rohan's being eaten alive. Oh, poor Rohan, little baby. Wait, why are you... Here, talk to Noel. Why are you, like, not... I feel like he's not as good friends with her anymore, which is so sad. Are you singing, Speckles? Oh, you're singing with Marik. That is cute. Discuss interests. You can brag about your grades. You have a GPA an A GPA. That's so weird. He has a 4.0. Let's just say he has a 4.0. Tell her an engaging story. Oh, give her a heartfelt compliment. And I feel like, obsess about your favorite author. Julia, what are you doing? She wants to join the conversation. The convo. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, Julia, come light this, please. Then we can all chat around the fire. Marik, you can stop. You're making Julia very tense. Sit here. How do I pet care, I think? Okay. And then you can come sit. You can, let's add a log and let's all roast weenies together. Yeah, this isn't very good for, the environment, but we're on vacation and this ain't our world, so I hate that. I hate that. Just click on something and it moves. It's like, can you not move? Like, I understand, like, you're something that can be moved, but please don't. You can roast a veggie dog. Whew. Veggie dog for Noel, just a regular hot dog for Julia, and then you can come roast a regular hot dog. I should probably get another chair. Oh, he's lazy. I forgot about that. Okay, well, you can stop jogging and you can return to your lodging. Please take your dog with you. Oh, thank you. Did you eat anything? If you did not roast a weenie, add a log. Add a log, you dummy. Was it because of this? Add log. It is because of that. Roast veggie dogs. Juliet, can you fill this up, please? And you didn't eat your dog. Oh, great. That's catching fire. Oh no, this is all bad. Ignore, you're on top of it. Dang, Rohan, you too. So I'll save you, Julia. His voice is not that deep. Julia, I'm sorry. Are you gonna go take a shower? You don't need to take a shower, but she does need to use the toilet. There goes that. It's 12 a.m. Let's go to sleep. Gonna have to cut your pee short. Boo, but I can't, like, store my food in here so that it doesn't go bad. That's dumb. Marik, are you okay? You're done. Reset. And you, reset. Also, were you about to eat your own poop? Don't do that, you cochino. Please just go to sleep. Everyone just go to sleep. You're laying on your poop! Alright, it is morning time. Excuse me, Speckles. Okay, what you can do is you can ride the bike and you can bike here. And then you can take a shower. Please take a shower. And then when you're done taking a shower, you can use the toilet. Use the bathroom. Noel, it's time for you to wake up. Please wake up. Please wake up. Throw this away, please. And then fill the bowl. And then you can give Speckles a hug, pet him, and I don't know, praise him. University coursework, term paper. Write your term paper, please. You're cooking all the way over here. Is this ours? Is this Noel's? No, you left your stupid computer in here. Okay, do you need to take a shower too? Yeah, you do. Oops, not that. Take a shower. Julia, use the toilet. I told you to use the toilet like a long time ago. Come on. Oh, I should be a dummy. Go here. Is it because Noel is using the bathroom? Use the toilet! Reset object. Use the bathroom, please. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to cheat her need because she's being redonkulous. Okay, I'm gonna cheat her needs too. Cheat needs, make happy. Rohan is working on his project. Maybe we can go on a hike. That'd be fun. Okay, I feel like we shall go on a hike. Okay, his audition starts in an hour. Can I... No. Can I end his vacation? End vacation just for Marik, though. Can he just go home? Rohan finished the draft of his term paper. Cool beans. Okay, and then I want you to come here and edit term paper. What are you doing, Noel? Guitar. She has the guitar skill too. You can practice guitar as well. Let's get this guitar out of his inventory and into Julia's inventory so that Julia can practice the guitar. He needs to go to his audition. And are we going with him? No, he's just going by himself. Okay, good luck. Julia, you can practice the guitar. Practice. Please don't chat with the bear. And I think the bathrooms here are broken, so I'm just going to make him happy. Just everything will go a whole lot smoother if he's happy. He has school in an hour. Then maybe they can all go on a hike together. I believe that's something you can do in outdoor escape. I don't know. Outdoor retreat. There we go. Outdoor escape. What was I trying to... Snowy escape. Outdoor retreat crossover. I mean... That's not like a stretch or anything. Leave early. Please do not leave early. You will not get that audition. Are you okay? Are you talking to the bear? Cheerful introduction. Talk about your dreams. Brighten the bear's day. Try to cheer them up. Why is the bear sad? Share cooking secrets. Maybe the bear wants to learn how to cook. Discuss gourmet dishes. Julia's having a great time just practicing her guitar. Yes, Rohan's paper is fini. No. Would that end vacation for everybody? I don't know. How does he go to class? How is he going to go to class if he's all the way over here? Interesting. He didn't get like a notification from it at all or anything. And he doesn't have his teacher calling him. Very interesting. He's like, sorry teacher, I'm on vacation. So take that. Silly old bear. Alright, but that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you have done so already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye!